Eggmas, day 13. Eggnog latte. Okay, we're finally doing it because of high demand. You guys wanted the freaking eggnog. I've never made it before. So I looked up tons of recipes just to get the gist of it. All it is a custard. So I'm gonna make a custard drink right now. So whenever separating egg whites, you could do this method right here where you utilize the shell, or you could just put it on your fingers like that, run it through your fingers, whichever way floats your boat. Now, I don't know if most of you guys know this, but say you drop a pesky eggshell. Best way to get it out is with the eggshell itself, just like that, you see? I just scooped it on out. Got my yolks and my whites here. I'm separating them because this is to make my custard, and this is to stiffen up to soft peaks. So I'm gonna set this into the fridge for now. Now, into this, I've got whole milk. Should probably get a bigger bowl. Okay, let's try this again. Whole milk. And then equal parts heavy cream. Okay, so the way I know what I measured with the cream, Michael's asking me, is this is a quart container, and in restaurants we use these for everything. We even drink water out of these guys. Exhibit A. I usually put a little piece of tape here, and I'll mark a 1 whenever I've drank a whole container. This is how I just keep track of drinking water. Stay hydrated, people. Anyways, this is a quart, this is a pint, this right here is a cup, so that's how I measure. Doing half a cup of maple sugar in there. And then I've just got some whole nutmeg. If you buy the ground stuff, that's all good too. About a teaspoon of that. About 3 ounces of spiced rum. And 3 ounces of really good bourbon. Honestly, this stuff is really good. Pretty hard to find. Wanna try that? Eagle Rare.
Ooh.
It's good shit, right?
That doesn't like hurt.
That's what she said. And just a little bit of vanilla paste. Okay, dude, so what I've got here is a pot of water. That's water, yeah. Then we've got a Joule. This is called a circulator. A lot of people call these sous vide. Technically, the wrong name for this. Sous vide means under vacuum. So sous vide is like when you take things, put them in bags, and like you just vacuum seal them. This is a circulator. It circulates the water at certain temperatures, whatever precise temperature you want. I rarely use this thing, by the way. I got it going at 144 Fahrenheit right now. Get all that stuff in there. You know what we call these in the restaurants, dude? Money savers. These are called money savers right here. Scrape everything out. That's money right there. And then we're gonna use the water trick to seal this. What we do is we dip it into the water like so, and check it out. The air is coming out, and then I can seal it from there. There we go. So I'm just gonna let this cook for around 30 minutes at 144, and then we'll take it out, put it in an ice bath, all that stuff. Forgot the cinnamon. Open a little slit in there, shove it on in. Now, here's how you do it if you want to just do it old-fashioned in a pan. What the f? Close call. It's kind of dirty. It's all clean, so people don't think I'm a slob. Here's my custard mix right here, and I know what some of you are thinking. Matt, you can't do that with a custard. You gotta temper the yolks, all that stuff. Well, check this thing out. I could set this guy to whatever temperature I want, and it'll keep the pan at that temperature. So honestly, I don't even have to worry about tempering. It's all good. So I'm gonna set it to around 176. I'll put 174. Custard sets it around 176. So I'll put it here just to stay safe. If you don't have this right here, temper your egg yolks. If you don't know what that means, I'll put the instructions down below. All right, that's to my desired temp. It's going in. Now I'm just gonna let this chill in the fridge completely, or you could even do an ice bath, up to you. All right, guys, we don't have time, so I'm just gonna do an ice bath real quick. Pull this guy out too. Love that sound. Now I just need to whip those egg whites. Remember those egg whites from earlier that are in the fridge? That's what we're gonna whip up and then fold this mixture into that. A little sugar, a little bit of vanilla flex. Nice stiff peaks. That's what I'm looking for right there. I might have put too much alcohol in these. Okay, here we have the old fashioned and the one that was cooked in the sous vide circulated. Both are good, let's try them out. tasty eggnog. That's good. It's my first time making this. It's very, very easy. Someone like me can make this on the first try. I mean, you can do this too. I went kind of heavy on the booze, dude, but it's fine. It's a cocktail. It's good. Cocktail nog.
Nog.
Cock nog. There we go. Nog, 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 nog. All this eggnog. You just put in a quart like this and give it to your friends and your family and you're good to go. This is actually a probably really easy thing to make for your friends and family and pretty cool to give away. Store this in the fridge. I would say it would keep for, I don't know, 5 to 7 days because it's already a cooked milk and egg product. Very delicious, man. Let's make a coffee with this. Okay, let's see if I can do latte art with eggnog. I'm not too confident with the eggnog. It's a little hard to do latte art with it. Not the prettiest, but there's an eggnog latte. Let's torch this shit, huh? Brulee eggnog latte. That looks pretty f***ing good, huh? Beautiful looking spread. Let's get a top down of that. Michael gets 1 ice cube. Here, try it. Cheers. Yo, that's a good coffee.
This is good eggnog.
We can try the hot one now. I love drinking. Smash like, subscribe.